Server health monitoring is crucial to ensure that your system is running optimally. Let's look at a few ways to gather and monitor the health and performance of your openSUSE system. For real-time monitoring, you can use stop. Okay, you can use stop. A better one is htop, and the much better is btop. It is not installed. If it is not installed, you may install it in this way. Zipper install btop, and the refreshment. Let's wait for, yeah, okay, yes. Let's run btop. As you can see, btop provides a detailed view of system resources, including CPU usage, memory consumption, and active processes. Okay, so to get a detailed log of system events and errors, you can use journal control dash p 3 and dash xp. And this show critical system messages and warnings. So we only have one, and it's related to the dbus for the desktop. So nothing serious with the operating system. Okay. And for this command, in some cases, is extremely useful for diagnosis problems. For example, if a service fails, and the journal control will show you the error and when it occurred. Okay. For monitoring network connections and performance, you can use the ss command, and let's use sudo and dash t l u l n p. Okay, and this command will show you all the open ports on your system with the process that's running on that port. And T for TCP, U for UDP, and L for listening, N to show the IP, the actual IP without using DNS, and P for showing the process.